Welcome to Rise of Tech, a channel featuring the world's most unusual gadgets and devices. In this video, you're going to discover tons of amazing technologies designed to make life easier and more fun. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Who knows, today you might find exactly what you've been looking for. Let's go! What a beautiful exotic bird, or so it seems. Actually, this is the Xfly biometric drone. Developed by an inventor whose family has been studying birds for over 60 years, this techno-bird is a blend of ornithological knowledge and cutting-edge technology. Weighing just 0.4 ounces, the Xfly can operate in moderate winds up to a distance of up to 100 meters. Despite how fragile it may look, it actually holds up quite well to crashes thanks to its carbon fiber construction. Even though this drone isn't quite ready for photography and video, the Xfly still provides the operator with a peaceful, quiet flight experience. Casting dynamic shadows by day and glowing bright at night, it always makes for a mesmerizing spectacle. However, keep an eye out for natural predators that might mistake this bird drone for real prey. No, this isn't the latest NASA invention for exploring alien worlds. Introducing the Air 2, a full-coverage face mask that purifies incoming air using 4 filters. It's perfect for welding, woodworking, and grinding, as this mask protects your face and respiratory system. Its acrylic dome is fog and impact resistant, and the battery lasts from 8 to 20 hours. At just 2 pounds, the lightweight mask can comfortably accommodate hair or even a beard. Some Air 2 users have even reported that it helps protect loved ones with weakened immune systems from inhaling harmful microbes. However, it is worth noting that it does not eliminate odors and fumes and isn't suitable for low oxygen environments, so space travel is off the table. For those of you who always felt cold, meet your personal comfort provider, the CozyPod Mini Heater. This 800-watt compact powerhouse heats up in just 2 seconds to your desired temperature. It plugs into the standard power grid and can even charge its own remote control. The CozyPod's crowning achievement is its ability to reduce home heating bills by up to 90%. No need to heat unused rooms, just turn on the CozyPod wherever you are. It even has an eco-friendly mode that further conserves energy by shutting off when the target temperature has been reached. The CozyPod meets all safety standards, including fire hazard protection, so you don't have to worry about using it in your child's room. Kinda makes you want one, doesn't it? A year ago, Chinese company Xiaomi unveiled the wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition, and it's nothing short of fantastic. These glasses might not transport you to the Matrix, but they significantly blur the lines between virtual and real. Use micro-gestures to place virtual objects in physical space, control applications, type text, and even turn pages. The display quality is so high that the human eye cannot discern individual pixels. The wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition boasts a Retina-level display, one of the first in its class, with a PPD, pixels per degree, of 58 out of a maximum of 60, setting a new industry standard. Its 3 front-facing cameras can even adjust the external environment display. For instance, darkening the lenses for a cinematic experience while watching a movie. We can't wait for this product to finally be released. For those who tend to suffer from sweaty hands and sore wrists from extended computer use, here's something for you. The XTurbo, the world's first keyboard stand with an integrated fan and backlight. Designed with memory foam and faux leather, it significantly reduces wrist pressure, allowing you to remain comfortable all day while you work. Operating at less than 32 decibels, similar to a soft whisper, the XTurbo won't distract you during work or play. It also features an anti-slip rubber base that keeps it in place so you don't have to readjust it. Priced at $40, many buyers say it is the best investment for a workspace upgrade they've ever made. Whether you're a skier or a snowboarder, the Sirius AR glasses are perfect for every mountain enthusiast. This device could be your new action camera, headphones, and smartphone all in one. So what can Sirius do? Display the weather, track your speed, and identify hazardous areas on the slopes using a built-in gyroscope and accelerometer. Take photos and videos in FHD with its 8MP camera at 60 frames per second. Play music with crystal clear quality, even on windy slopes. But there are even more options where you're in a group. Sync up you and your friends' devices to keep track of each other's location and progress. And when you get hungry, Sirius will guide you to the nearest restaurant and tell you when they're open. Long flight? Say hello to neck and back pain. To make sleeping on an airplane more comfortable, HipHap has introduced the ergonomic TrueRest sleep stand with tilt adjustment. TrueRest is no bigger than an iPad and can easily fit in your carry-on luggage. Sleeping in a sitting position typically causes us to lean forward, which relaxes the shoulders and back and ensures proper breathing. Using TrueRest for sleep can alleviate muscle tension, allowing you to wake up feeling rested and recovered. And if you're into watching shows throughout your flight, you can mount your smartphone or iPad in the stand for a comfortable viewing experience. It may look a bit strange at first, but TrueRest may just be exactly what you've been missing. Imagine having a friend whose taste in music perfectly aligns with yours. Meet the Vandal Speaker, featuring a 9-inch ferromagnetic visualizer. This speaker not only plays along to your favorite tracks, but also dances with you. When you look inside, you can see real magnetic fluid moving to the beat, creating captivating visual graphics. It looks like something out of that old science fiction comedy movie Flubber, and now anyone can have it. While the Vandal Speaker hasn't been made widely available yet, you can still pre-order it and start putting together a playlist for your future jam sessions. Swimming in a pool is great, but dealing with all those fallen leaves and other debris? Not so much. Enter the ScavBot's Pool Cleaner, a robotic vacuum that removes leaves and dirt from both the bottom and the surface of the water. It even checks the pH level, a crucial indicator of water quality and safety. ScavBot's pays for itself in about 3 months, saving you $150 per professional cleaning kit. This underwater vacuum weighs just 13 pounds and has a battery life of 6 hours. Plenty of time to clean even a large pool of up to 9,700 feet squared. Making it even more convenient is its ability to exit the water on its own along the pool wall. Now, if only it could serve cocktails. For those eager to master every winter sport, consider starting with the FootFeet Pro Mini Skis. What's so cool about them? They even work in ungroomed wilderness areas, so you can learn to ski not just on professional slopes, but also in your backyard. After testing a previous model, the manufacturers improved the SnowFeet Pro by lengthening and heightening the skis. These modifications make it easier to glide on the snow, ski backwards, make turns, and hit some sweet tricks. Dubbed the most versatile ski equipment in the world, the SnowFeet Pro comes with adjustable fastenings that fit shoes and ski boots of any size. Even seasoned skiers can find new thrills and fun with the SnowFeet Pro. Allow me to introduce to you a promising startup that could make a significant impact on the planet. Solaris Kit is an innovative solar collector that can heat water up to 50 degrees Celsius. It's estimated that the average household consumes about 2,200 kilowatts an hour of energy a year to heat their water. As the simplest and most accessible source of energy, solar is completely renewable and produces no harmful wastes, meaning that Solaris Kit's technology could substantially reduce carbon emissions. Unlike bulky and expensive solar energy converters, every component of Solaris Kit is easily accessible, replaceable, repairable, and recyclable. It's innovations like these that could truly change the world, don't you think? Bruises and sprains are unavoidable injuries, but the recovery afterwards can be long and difficult. Hyperice's rehabilitation devices for knees and shoulders are here to help the process along. Cold therapy helps alleviate pain and inflammation, while heat therapy relaxes muscles. The Hyperice X knee and Hyperice X shoulder devices can maintain a constant temperature or automatically switch between hot and cold modes, featuring an adaptable fit that allows for freedom of movement and a pleasantly light weight of just 2 pounds. These should be essential items for any household. Ever wish you could instantly know the freshness of the eggs and milk at the store? Or even the caffeine content in your latte? What about the amount of protein your pet is getting in their diet? Well, the Magic Pencil has answers to these and millions of other questions. This miniature scanner weighs just 2.3 ounces and can even replace a plethora of devices like water, food, soil detectors, and sports bracelets. It can identify data on thousands of substances within 7 seconds, significantly improving your quality of life. Give this video a like if you want a Magic Pencil so you can point it at everything just to see how much it knows. Picture this, you're gazing at a beautiful moon, so you decide to whip out your smartphone and capture the moment, but the photo ends up being disappointing. Well, that's a thing of the past now thanks to a brand new telescope by Hestia. It allows you to take any smartphone to take stunning photos and videos of objects and phenomena in the sky. No need to be an astronomy buff, the built-in interactive sky map will help you find constellations, galaxies, and nebulae. Plus, the telescope operates solely on your smartphone's power. In 2024, millions of Americans will have the chance to witness a total solar eclipse, and Hestia owners will have the opportunity to capture this unique event for the history books. Imagine how this gadget could spice up a date night or evening with friends. Dreaming of a little robot you can play and have fun with? Introducing BidleX, a robotic dog that can fit in the palm of your hand. Unlike the larger, more expensive robot dogs from Boston Dynamics at just $237, this little guy is far more affordable. Despite its size, BidleX can realistically execute over 35 commands, including sit, play dead, and do a backflip. But there's more. BidleX is open source and designed for anyone passionate about robotics. Users can modify and add functionalities as they wish. The creators even launched a BidleX programming challenge, which encourages learning through play with this robotic pup. So how about it? Would you like to learn like this? Let us know in the comments. It's rare to find someone who enjoys flossing or using a water pick. They can be inconvenient, and there's no guarantee they'll get your teeth perfectly clean. Enter Proclaim, the latest in oral cleaning technology. So how does it work? First, a dentist creates a 3D scan of your mouth. Then an individual device is custom made to fit your mouth to provide 360 degrees of clean for your teeth and gums. Simply brush your teeth as usual, then use Proclaim for 7 seconds. It effectively removes bacteria and food debris from between teeth and hard-to-reach areas, potentially saving you money on floss, interdental brushes, irrigators, and mouthwash. Of course, this all looks amazing. The only questions that remain are, what kind of maintenance is there for Proclaim, and does it need to be replaced from time to time? What can your table do? Probably not much other than stand there, but Nyx Table is sure to impress you. It's a full 43-inch display table where you can watch 4K movies on Netflix and YouTube. Learning to play the piano? Use Nyx Table as an online synthesizer, saving the need to buy an instrument right away. Want to play games with friends? Its touchscreen supports up to 6 people simultaneously, whether they are lounging on your couch or scattered across the globe. Nyx Table is perfect for sports, creativity, and communication. And don't worry, it's also superbly functional as an actual table, not to mention spill resistant. Healthy food straight from your own technological garden is now a reality with GrowPod. This low-intervention farm is perfect for growing mushrooms and microgreens. GrowPod features soil moisture monitoring sensors to tell you when to water, and even has its own volcano for air humidification. An ideal temperature for mushroom growth, 68 to 76 degrees Fahrenheit, is maintained inside. What about noise and energy consumption? Well, the GrowPod is quieter than a refrigerator or air conditioner, maxing out at 40 degrees decibels and consumes just 80 watts at full capacity. Imagine your friends' delight when you treat them to some grilled mushrooms or a healthy pizza from your very own GrowPod. Imagine having a mode of transportation that's always with you. Well, the Japanese have made this a reality with the WalkCar. This electric skateboard reaches speeds of up to 6 to 9 miles per hour, comparable to a city bicycle, but without the hassle of traffic jams. The WalkCar is just as compact as a laptop, fitting easily in a backpack or a woman's bag, and weighs just 3 kilograms thanks to its meticulously designed structure. Its board is made up of a carbon-based material 10 times stronger than steel. The supporting frame for the wheels is crafted from lightweight yet durable duralumin, a material used in aircraft wings. The skateboard surface is covered with a self-restoring paint to prevent scratches. I'm curious to try this device out for myself and find out if it's only well suited for perfect Japanese roads or if it can handle potholes and pavers too. If you thought pixel pets were left in the 90s, think again. Let me introduce you to Bitsy. This toy isn't just for kids, it's a trip down memory lane for adults as well. 3D pets in Bitsy can even be gently petted. With proper care, they grow and transform into Super Bitsy, unlocking even more complex video game play. Unlike the Tamagotchis of the 90s, where neglect could lead to their demise, forgotten Bitsies just get offended and leave, but they can be coaxed back with treats and attention. Did you have a Tamagotchi as a child? Or maybe still have one? Share it in the comments. You've seen a lot of cool gadgets so far, but none that protect against fire. Meet Ampla, the world's most unusual fire extinguisher. It's the only one designed for one-handed use as a shield, freeing the other hand to carry a child or pet. The case has a diameter of 25 inches and houses either a 4 or 6 kilogram powder agent. This stylish device can be displayed prominently so you can have it on hand when you need it. Custom designed casings are available to match your taste and interior decor. Swimming underwater is awesome, but not exactly easy. Kind of like creating cool videos for you. So if you haven't already, give us a like for our efforts and check out this gadget that allows you to swim as easily as a fish. The SeaCool D2, a simple motor mechanism, attaches to the diver and provides about 60 minutes of underwater exploration at depths of up to 65 feet, offering complete freedom with 3 speed settings. For surfers, there's the SeaCool P1, enabling you to surf like a motorboat for up to 2 hours as you effortlessly move from shore to shore. Always running late and wish you could move 2 times faster? No need to expose yourself to chemicals like Barry Allen. Just get Moonwalkers, a smart AI-based device. They accelerate your normal walking speed up to 7 miles per hour without any extra effort on your part. Moonwalkers adjust to your walking style, ensuring balance and mobility. These fittings are suitable for everyone from athletes to seniors and can handle puddles, mud, gravel, sand, and even slopes. Designed for people with a shoe size of 8 to 12 and a body weight of up to 220 pounds, Moonwalkers do require some adaptation as each unit weighs 5.2 pounds heavier than skates or ski boots. For cosplayers, check out these cool gadgets. First, a biochemical spine featuring nearly 100 different lighting modes and effects that would be the highlight of any cyberpunk outfit. Combine that with an incredible cyborg hand. This mechanical suit armor with built-in electroluminescent panels in blue or white allows for unrestricted movement and fits both men and women. The manufacturer can even tailor the arm to your measurements for a perfect fit. Not just a showpiece for Comic-Con, the Exo-Active Skeleton has practical applications too. It helps workers with physically demanding tasks like painting or plastering ceilings. The intensity and position of support can be adjusted instantly for tasks at chest level or above the head. With a weight of just 15 pounds, the Exo Active is easy to wear like a backpack, ergonomic, and adjustable to a variety of body shapes. How's that for a helpful assistant? Ever get so hooked on a series that you just can't seem to walk away to do other things? The solution? Watch it on a mirror. ThinCast is a small touchscreen mirror by Capstone. It streams YouTube and movies and is equipped with 4 speakers, so you can enjoy music or podcasts even while you're in the shower. ThinCast works with both Android and iOS, offering high-resolution video playback for screen mirroring. Plus, you can leave sweet messages or write to-do lists on it. That's all for today. So, did any of these gadgets make it onto your wish list? Let us know which impressed you the most, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. While we're busy getting our next video ready, you should have plenty to discuss with your friends for now. See you soon!